Most people watching this video are not lazy, they're just tired. Tired of shiny objects, tired of watching YouTube videos that promise results but deliver nothing, and tired of seeing others make money online while they're stuck learning forever. If that sounds familiar, this video will save you a lot of time. Today, I'm reviewing something called GC Loophole, and I want to be very clear up front. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the simplest online income systems I've seen recently. Let me break it down honestly. GC Loophole is a step-by-step online income system designed for people who don't want to build complicated funnels, create content, or spend months learning tech. The idea is simple. Instead of competing in overcrowded methods, it focuses on a less-known opportunity window that most people ignore. No YouTube channel required, no product creation, no prior experience. That's why it's getting attention, let's be honest. This is for you if you're a beginner with zero experience. You've failed with dropshipping, crypto, or affiliate marketing. You want something simple and structured. You prefer systems over guesswork. This is not for you if you want instant money without doing anything. You don't follow instructions. You already run advanced online businesses. You hate using proven systems. This product is about execution, not magic. Without revealing proprietary details, here's the structure. You're guided through a clear setup process that shows where the opportunity is, how to position yourself correctly, how to activate the system step by step, how traffic and monetization happen in a simplified way. There's no confusing tech language. Everything is explained in plain English, which is rare. The goal is speed plus clarity, not overwhelm. Real benefits. Here's what stood out to me. Beginner-friendly setup. No tech headaches, no audience needed. You don't need followers. Time efficient. Can be done alongside a job. Repeatable system. Not dependent on luck. Clear roadmap. No figure it out yourself nonsense. This is why beginners resonate with it. Common doubts. Does this still work? Yes, because it's not dependent on trends or social media algorithms. Is this saturated? No, the entire point is avoiding crowded methods. How fast will I see results? That depends on effort, but the system is designed to remove delays. Do I need money for ads? No heavy ad spending is required to get started. Comparison with other methods. Let's compare. Dropshipping, high competition, ads, refunds. Crypto trading, risky, stressful, volatile. YouTube automation takes months. Freelancing requires skills. GC Loophole, simple, structured, low barrier, beginner oriented. That's why it stands out. Realistic outcome scenario. Imagine spending 30 to 60 minutes per day, following exact steps, not guessing, not experimenting. Instead of learning endlessly, you're executing a proven framework. That's the real value. A final verdict. GC Loophole isn't magic, but it removes confusion, which is why most people fail online. If you've tried multiple things and want clarity instead of chaos, this is worth checking out. If you want to see how the system works, what's included, any bonuses or limited access, click the link in the description below. Watch the free presentation first. Decide if it fits you, don't overthink it. Just review it before it closes or changes.